Oh Lord, I am very, very grateful for all you have done for me. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee again. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. So today I am bringing you this beautiful and delicious pineapple fried rice. So let's go. So to begin with, we are going to make our pineapple bowl because that's where we are going to enjoy our goodies. So you gently divide your pineapple into two. Now we are going to scoop the fruits to get our bowl. Now our pineapple bowl is ready, so let's get cooking. So I have some basic ingredients here. I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box so you check it out, okay? But as we cook along, I'll be sharing the remaining ingredients. So I have my cooked rice. I have allowed it to cool down a bit. And then the fruits of the pineapple. Yeah, we are going to add some into our delicious pineapple fried rice. So to begin with, in a pot, I will add some oil and some diced onion. So I saute it a bit and then I add some blended garlic and ginger. Yes, to add more flavor and taste. So now I add my diced carrots. And please remember, fried rice or stir fry is all about stirring. So we are gonna stir, okay? So now I add my bell peppers, just a little, which is optional. You can choose to omit it. Now I add some green chilies for some pepper taste. And my mixed veggies. You all know I love mixed veggies. Yes, no fried rice without mixed veggies. So now add some seasoning and some salt to taste, okay? Yes. So you can choose to add eggs, shrimps, any ingredients of your choice. So now I add a little pineapple fruit to our stir fry. Yes, so this is where the sweetness is coming from. So at this point I add my rice to it. Then I gently stir. Make sure you stir it gently. So I add some oyster sauce and some soya sauce. Yes, so this is the Thailand pineapple fried rice recipe, okay? Yes. So I add some more pineapples depending on how sweet you want it. So you can see our pineapple fried rice is doing great, and family, it tastes amazingly great also. And yeah, the papa. So sometimes you can choose to make this, and the family, they are gonna say thank you, mommy. So at this point I'm adding my final ingredient, that is my spring onions or scallions, and then stir. And you can see how beautiful inviting and mouth-watering it looks. So I just added a bit of the pineapple juice for more sweetness. What's here? This is not your regular fried rice, so this is pineapple fried rice recipe. You are gonna love it, friends and family. Yes. So at this point, our fried rice is ready. So we are going to serve it into our pineapple bowl. Yeah, this is where the beauty comes from. So we're going to eat from our pineapple bowl. If you give this to your husband, your daddy, your fiance, oh my goodness, all your visitors, they are going to love, because it's a romantic dish. Yeah, so now we are done. Just look at how beautiful it is. It's inviting. I know you want to taste it. But I'm not done. I am going to pair mine with some grilled tilapia. So I'll share the link up there how I made my grilled tilapia, okay? So friends and family, join me. Let's enjoy this lunch, okay? I love you guys. If